Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload videos with subtitles and descriptions on Facebook Business Suite. This is incredibly useful for making your content more accessible to a wider audience and improving engagement, especially for viewers who watch videos without sound or who have hearing impairments. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This will take you directly to your business page management area where you can create and manage content. Now that you're on your Facebook business management page, locate the field that says "What's on your mind" at the top of your feed. This is essentially your post creation link and serves as the gateway to uploading new content. Go ahead and click on this field to begin creating your post. A post-creation window will appear on your screen with various options for the type of content you want to share. Under the section labeled Add to your post, locate and click on the photo/video icon. This will trigger a File Explorer window to open, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location where your video is stored, click on the video file you wish to upload to select it, and then click the Open button to confirm your selection. Once your video has finished uploading, which may take a moment depending on the file size, click on the Next button. You'll now be directed to the Edit Reel window, which is where the magic happens for adding accessibility features. To upload captions or subtitles, locate and click on the Close Captions button. This field is specifically designed to help you add text overlays that synchronize with your video's audio, making it accessible to those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Within this section, you'll see a Closed Caption drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal options for uploading your subtitle file. Now, to add audio descriptions, which provide narration of visual elements for visually impaired viewers, click on the Audio Description dropdown. Here you can upload the necessary files, such as SRT files for subtitles or captions. Make sure your files are properly formatted before uploading to ensure they work correctly. Once you've uploaded both your captions and descriptions, click Next to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Reel Settings page. This is an important step where you can customize various aspects of your post, including your target audience, relevant tags to increase discoverability, and scheduling options if you don't want to post immediately. Take your time to configure these settings according to your marketing strategy and audience preferences. Once everything is set up exactly how you want it, click the Post button to publish your video with all the accessibility features included. And there you have it, you've successfully uploaded a video to Facebook Business Suite complete with subtitles and descriptions, making your content accessible to everyone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.